Hello everybody, and we are still at the Computex, and this is a very interesting stand for me. Honestly, from this brand everything started for me, for our channel, and this is Arctic, and you see there are so many fans, so many good cooling. Arctic has some very amazing products that I'm pretty sure will be very soon on our channel, and I want you to become a little bit more familiar before they're coming, because they're still not released, but very soon they will definitely appear on our channel. And my good friend from Arctic then will help us with all the info.
First things first, this is our first booth since more than 11 years, and so we're super happy to be back at Computex. And of course we brought all the new products that we recently released. For example, Liquid Freezer 3 Pro. Here's the white 360 ARGB version, suitable for every current socket, mounted with our brand new P12 Pro ARGB fans that are way more efficient than the previous P12s. And as you can see, it runs super silent. It is designed for quiet operation, even when it is under heavy loads. And more sizes will be available soon, like the 240, the 280 and the 420mm variants.
You know, Dan, this thing is very interesting to all of us, because most viral video was with this product.
I remember your blackout build.
And mostly the comments were like, this is the most amazing AIO for its price that you could use. So like best dollar per performance, per score, per point.
We want to pay forward the trust our customers give us by lowering the prices as much as we can. For example, don't include a printed manual. We try to make shipping more efficient, and every cent we can save, we pay forward to our customers, just so they can enjoy affordable cooling.
Cool, what's next?
Next, there is a Freezer 36S that is based on our current Freezer 36. This is a version for system integrators as well as OEM partners that just want to offer the same quality as we already offer with the regular Freezer 36, but for pre-built systems, for example. So if you will buy a pre-configured system in the future, that one might appear in it, just because it is as capable of cooling your PC than the regular Freezer 36 that you might use for your DIY projects. By the way, we also brought our new fans with us, the P12 Pros as well as the P14 Pros. The P12 Pros are these that are pre-mounted on the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro as well, and they will release shortly as standalone products. Of course, also available in ARGB versions. So here we optimize the fan blade design by stepping it up and using 7 blades instead of 5, and this helps us to increase the static pressure and airflow and making them more potent.
Then, you know, the biggest wish, like a Christmas wish for me, it would be for me to see Arctic fans with a reverse design.
Good news.
Good news?
Good news. Very good news. These you will see in our brand new cases that we're about to introduce. These are the Extender and Extender VG cases, and they ship with 5 fans pre-installed. So 2 P12 Pros in the back, as well as 3 P14 Pros reverse in the side. Of course I can take off the side panel. One thumb screw, pop it open, there you go.
So we can see the normal ones, and voila, the reverse blades finally from Arctic.
As said, they all come pre-mounted as well as pre-cable managed, so you can just connect the open connector to your motherboard and enjoy the cooling.
So if we will need additional fans, we need to buy the second case?
No. You won't need a second case. For example, if you'll use a Liquid Freezer 3 Pro, you can just mount it in the top. It fits up to the 420 radiator as well. So pretty easy. You just open up the daisy chain line, connect the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro in the middle, and then you have everything you need for your cooling demands. But the cool part about it is, cool part, Arctic, is that the extender cases can fit 2 420 radiators at the same time. One on the top, one on the side, and you could also think about push-pull configurations.
So for guys who are very strict to their cooling, push-pull configuration also acceptable for this case.
I can show you the black version as well. I'll just open it up for you. And here you can see and enjoy a full build inside the extender VG, including the vertical GPU mount. That's what the VG stands for. And it's pretty much decked out. You might have also noticed that little light bar down there with the Arctic logo. This is in fact a plate of hardened glass that you can easily pop out and replace. You can either just let it sit as is and have a little LED strip down there, or we will probably offer these hardened glass plates as spare parts, but without our logo, so you can customize them yourself. Would be a nice idea for PC Elegance, huh? With every case, there also comes the accessory box that features everything you need to build your PC, including Velcro straps, PCIe slot covers, additional dampeners. So we brought our sensor under desk PC, which is completely noiseless. It is built for silent operation and uses a AMD CPU in that case, the 5700G, set with a max TDP of 65 watts. But what I'm basically trying to say is the CPU itself won't run too hot, and the extensive passive cooling will keep it cool and enable you to work throughout the day. So it's perfectly designed for environments where you want to cut down on noise and you need just focus. What we're also introducing shortly is our SumAir 2 Go, who is the successor of our famous SumAir Plus. This is a handheld fan, but can also, of course, be used as a desk fan with the fold-out stand. It has a rechargeable as well as replaceable battery, and the battery is featuring 5,000 milliampere hours. So that means even with low RPM settings like 1,000 RPM per minute, it can run up to 77 hours. And it's just super convenient, including a ergonomic handle that you can hold in various positions. Super convenient. Goes easily into your purse or your backpack to carry with you, especially in hot climate like here in Taiwan.
Well guys, thank you for joining us and visited together with us the Arctic booth at the Computex. We're really happy that you are finally returned here, and I really hope so that probably case is like quarter 2 or 3.
It will release very soon, as well as the other products. And we have some more exciting things to share down the line out there on the horizon, but we'll let you know once it's done.
I really hope that we will be one of the first one who will get the case and the fans, because we really respect this brand. And we're waiting for the new things to come.
And we really respect your hard work on your channel.
Thank you so much. It was nice to see you here and to visit your booth. See you soon.